guys, my name is Rina, your working mom and virtual assistant. So today, I'm going to share with you time management tips. Just keep on watching. As a freelancer, time management is the biggest challenge for you. You are your own boss. So if you don't focus and build up a habit of good time management, it will be easy to slip away and possibly not to get your task done on time, which may result in losing a client. Time is the most precious resource. It is the most valuable thing to have because it is irreplaceable and it cannot be saved. It will take a lot of self-discipline to stay on time. As a freelancer, it can be really difficult to manage your time, especially when you are working from home. Your bed might be calling you, your daughter or son may disturb you. There are a lot of reasons that may cause you to be distracted in working. Here are some of the time management tips that will surely help you. Plan ahead. List down all the things that you need to do for the whole week and divide them into days. It is important to plan ahead so you can organize what are the things that you need to do, and you will give expectations of what you need to do for the next coming days. Before you leave your work, make sure to check your planner or list of works for the next day. Set your goals. Set your goals that are achievable and measurable. Setting goals daily is one thing that will help you not feel drained at work because you already know what are the things you need to focus and finish first. When setting goals, make sure that they are well detailed. Learn to prioritize tasks. As you organize your planner or tasks for the whole week, eliminate the tasks that are not important. Be sure to prioritize the tasks based on deadlines and the amount of time that you need to spend with it so that you don't fall behind your deadlines. Lastly, but the most important tips that I will share with you today, don't forget to take a break. Rest when you are tired. As a human, you can be more productive when you are rested properly. Set a time to rest and take it seriously. Do not overwork yourself. Take your time to calm your body and mind, because this will help you to increase productivity. Time management is the most critical pieces to being a freelancer, and you can use time management tools to help you staying on top of your schedule. There are a lot of free applications out there. You just need to find out what works best for you. Check out my channel. I share a tutorial on how you can manage your client's calendar effectively, and you can use it personally. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell button to receive notification of my latest videos. Bye!